Frustrated with the Core Library DLL pop-up blocking localized application core logic? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. Before we dive into the core library troubleshooting, a resource for system environment optimization is available below. This is the core library, a generic module name frequently associated with CorelDRAW graphics core or unmanaged system shims. It manages localized memory address hooking and core manifest loading for the parent application. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. The file Core Library DLL is required for localized application core logic to properly initialize, and a full reinstallation of the application encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered core library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for Core Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. For users seeking clearer system diagnostics, the link in the description references tools related to managing the Core Library environment. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Core Library working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.